So if you think about a lot of the work that people are doing on sort of devices, it's very easy to actually produce the software these days, but it's actually very difficult to take that software and a little prototype and make a product out of it. And what we're interested in doing is trying to take all the lessons we've learned from building rich software systems and push that into the hardware space. So the idea of MakeDevice is to enable people who have little or no experience of producing hardware to move away from just a simple prototype into something that's an actual product that is small, compact, and has the features that you'd expect from something that you could actually take into the marketplace.
We're particularly interested in application areas within the accessible technology space or creative technology space for the main reason that these are spaces where users often need bespoke devices in particularly low volumes, which MakeDevice is particularly suitable for. There are a lot of tools out there that already exist that help users in designing their own devices, but a lot of those are often proprietary or standalone programs. Our focus here is on a web-based tool which builds upon an existing open source ecosystem of Jacdac modules. We're also different because we allow users to explore the construction of their device in a higher fidelity. We're using like 3D photorealistic models, which gives users a better idea of what their final device will look like. Additionally, and most importantly, it allows users to explore forms of device which are more suitable for fabrication. So this aspect of flattening. The tool allows users to move from these more modular desktop prototype type formations to one which is a single board circuit, where we might flatten multiple modules onto the same board and remove redundant components. And all of this is handled automatically.
So we see the future benefit of MakeDevice as being essentially a platform where people can actually go along, they can actually take their ideas for prototypes, they can refine them into much more product-like devices, and then they can actually replicate those and hand them out to people in the classroom, or they can sell them as products. So, they're moving away from very difficult sort of devices to handle with lots and lots of wires around to things that are things they can actually use in practice and look like something they'd typically go out and buy. For the future of MakeDevice, we're looking at the ability to flatten devices, so stripping out redundancy, so you end up with something that's much more product-like at the end, so more compact, hopefully more robust, and something that you can actually take into the market as a user experience. And also alongside that, we're looking at providing a platform that people can actually use within the web space to actually experiment with these sorts of technologies.